Hello everyone, I'm Sabrina. In this video, I will show you a short experiment that you can do in your home in order to observe yeast metabolism. So let's go! Before that, don't forget to wear your mask, your lab coat, but my lab coat is not with me, so I just wear my lab jacket. And don't forget to wear your gloves if you have them. Now you're good to go. Things that you need for this experiment are bottles, measuring cup, yeast, balloons, brown sugar, starch, and also a white sugar. Before you start an experiment, first thing first, label all your bottles. Add 10 grams of brown sugar into a second bottle, as the first bottle will act as control and we didn't put anything in it. For third bottle, we add 10 grams of white sugar. Next, we add 30 grams of white sugar into the fourth bottle. Lastly, we add 10 grams of starch into the last bottle. Measure 350 ml of hot water by using the measuring cup. Then, pour the water into a bottle and do the same things to the other bottles. Swirl the bottles gently in order to make the solution mix well. Sterile the teaspoon by using the heat from the candle before we use it to add yeast in the water. And do the same thing to other bottles. Now, we can put the balloons on the top of the bottles and do the same thing to the others. Now, we can observe the gas produced for every 50 minutes within 4 hours. Put 250 ml of water into a water bottle that we will use to collect the gas from the balloons. Then, put the water upside down in the bucket of water. Take out the balloons from the first bottle in order to measure the gas produced. Then, we can measure the gas produced under the water. Now, we measure the water balance in the small bottle. We can calculate the gas produced by measure the initial and final volume in the small bottle. The same thing was repeated for the other bottles. This is the result obtained from the experiment. As we can see, all the bottles produce a gas pressure except for the control. This shows that in the 4 bottles there are fermentation happen. Fermentation is a metabolic process that converts sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. In this experiment, the sugar and starch is a food source for yeast. When the yeast consumes the sugar in bottle, it breaks it down to be used as energy. The yeast also produces the waste product when metabolizing food. When the yeast metabolizes the sugar, the waste produced are carbon dioxide and ethanol. Carbon dioxide gas flows out of the liquid into the bottle, producing the bubbles. The pressure inside the balloons increases, and it causes the pressure on the wall of the balloons, which make it expand bigger. Therefore, what we can see at the final result after 4 hours of observation, the bottle with a greater amount of sugar has more food to consume, which results in a large amount of carbon dioxide produced, and the balloons is bigger than the other balloons. So that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.